If you want to produce paper cups with high capacity and quality, choose new DEBAO high-speed intelligent paper cup machine. Today, we would like to introduce to you DEBAO-138S high-speed intelligent paper cup machine of 118S series of new DEBAO. It is widely used for customized high-end cups, coffee cups, milk tea cups, cola cups, etc. This machine can produce high-end paper cups of 190 to 350 GSM with a smooth running of 160 pieces per minute capacity. This machine is excellent for making 5 to 16 ounce of cold and hot cups. New top production makes top products. The original fitting in of the paper blanks is a vertical suction, which is intended to have the problem of paper jam by transferring the paper blanks through the paper block strip. Now we have upgraded to use the single rotary suction system to make the paper blank fitting smoothly working by transferring directly into the runway to avoid unstable collision and the paper jam. Body folding system adopts the cold circulation to make non-stick and more stable operation. Double bottom heating working stations upgraded to the triple to make the bottom material better fully heated to ensure the tight sealing. DEBAO-138S is upgraded to a 10-inch touchscreen with a precise and fast reaction display. Dual station top curling system makes the cup rim curling more perfect. This machine equips with a triple opening plexiglass door for safety and professional design. The machine exterior is maintenance-free and automatic lubrication. New top strives for perfection and deeply cultivate the field of paper cup machine for 23 years. With a craftsman's spirit, the pursuit of high quality and the concept of leading technology, we strive to create new value for our esteemed customer every time. Sustainable, durable, high capacity and quality. New top paper cup machine makes work so simple